Chris is still behind the playhouse. Dan, we're behind the green. I don't know what Cody's at.
Logan, you move up yet? Woo!
Shit.
That spot, that spot.
Oh, really?
No one. I'm saying shit, not hit.
Huh?
I'm saying shit, not hit.
What? Whoa, shit! Chris, knock that shit off! You're fucking got fire behind that bull.
I'm gonna get you, Corey.
Huh?
I'm gonna get you.
You almost got me in the face. Damn, this hit the grass real quick.
If you don't want me to shoot you in the face, start putting out more of your body then.
I don't want to eat that one.
Who's shooting? Who's shooting?
Damn it. I think. Yeah, I'm fogging up in the back. I'm cleaning loads.
That's a nice butt you got there.
I want a copy of that video. It's gonna be. I admire your passion.
Thank you.
Logan's got the shotgun behind the mound. He's still behind that thing, the green thing? Yeah, there he is. I see you. Yeah, he is. Hey, Corey, come out for a sec.
Well, thank you.
It sounded like it. I thought I heard him say hit, but I'm not sure.
Where you going?
got Logan back here.
No, Logan's on my side.
I know. That's where I'm going. Stay there. Stay there.
Oh, damn it. I'm out. Hit, hit, hit.
A couple more times, just make sure.
It blew my ear off. Asshole. That actually hit. Who got hit?
I'm down.
Yes.
You down?
Hey, where can we go
Hey, the only
on
one
the hill?
left is Logan.
Where can we go on the hill?
The only one left is Logan.
From there to there.
Can I get down?
Nah.
I fucked up, Dan.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Yeah, they got way too many lives.
Sucker.
Hard enough trying to get your ass up there.
Logan, just make a run for it. Where the hell is Logan? Is he behind the dunes?
Yo, Corey's gonna get tagged in.
I say just shoot him, Dan. Fuck's sake.
Dude, just shoot him with your sniper. Please. Just once. Just be like, misfire. Shorty thought he sucked her titty.
It really is low. It shoots low.
Corey's gonna get tagged back in. You shot him? Can I go here?
Sorry, misfire.
Yeah, that's as far as you can go over there.
Like,
Yeah, you can only go to A1.
Huh? No, just that bunker.
fair enough. There's a squirrel.
You guys back in yet? Are you back in?
Yeah, man.
Messed up.
I'm not sure how I haven't been hit. I might have been, I don't know, but I haven't felt it. I have no idea.
Yeah, he's in the mound.
I mean, I've been open so many times I should have been got hit, but...
There's no way in hell we're getting that flag.
I just went to the grass, I hit somebody.